Hello everyone, it's Terry and welcome to my channel, and this is a very special unboxing from TARZANE Group. And I hardly ever order from them due to the fact that their orchids are tiny, but they do have unusual orchids, but they usually require terrariums. But this orchid consists of a group of orchids that I love and I am obsessed with, and you should be too. So once I get this box open, I will let you know what I'm talking about. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead. This is really a nice unboxing. I had to get it. I'm glad. Barkerias. Folks, do you know what Barkerias are? It is a genus of orchids, abbreviated bark. Now, I've never heard of that, but that's what I've heard or read about recently. There's about 17 as of 2014. So there's there's some more now, but about 17 recognized species native to Mexico and Central America. This was once considered part of Epidendrum. Barkeria elegans, which is a synonym of uniflora, is the type species for Barkeria. They are a deciduous orchid which drop their leaves in early winter, and they are generally found in dry scrub areas at intermediate elevations. Now, like I said, they are deciduous, so they like copious amounts of water in the spring. When they are growing, that's generally when they are flowering, beginning of new growth. When their growth has stopped in the fall, that is when you stop watering them and you give them cooler temperatures. But in the summertime, you can give them warmer temperatures, but shade. Fall, winter, cool, full sun. But they still like high humidity, and these are best mounted. Now, there are the three species that I have got, and now the task of opening them and showing you. Okay, so I'm back, and I've got the packages open, and we're going to start here. And bear with me. Wait for it. I'm still doing this one-handed, and these are little packages which contain very delicate orchids, as you can see by their very thin pseudobulbs that contain a couple of inflorescence. Woohoo! Very nice. That is right on time. This is the time they will be putting up their spikes. And I do have one down in the basement that is in the same status. Actually, I have maybe a couple. Now, this one is Barkeria palmeri. That's the flower. I think that was what it was. Maybe it was Revelans. That is, Nevera. And that beautiful flower. Very dainty, delicate, almost crepe-like flowers. Some have fragrance, some do not, but they are generally intermediate. But the most important thing is, and that does have a little bitty spike at the top of that growth. And you see how the canes look like they're bumped, covered in sheath, terminal growth, which is topped by the spike. And then the last one. I love how they wrapped it. That is often a sign that they are in spike, and I had no idea. And this, too, looks like it has a inflorescence. But the cool weather and shipping, you see that? It's green, but I think it blasted that one on the right there. You see the tip of it is brown. But still a very healthy plant. Nice sized pseudobulbs, and this is mature size. So don't look at it as a seedling. But as I said before, they prefer to be mounted or in a very loose material medium that has good air drainage, and you will do fine with Barkeria. The temperature differential between day and night is the most important thing really in the summertime in order to give it a proper respiration. And again, there are the 3 new Barkerias. And folks, I encourage you to find them whenever you do. They are easy and they require a little care in the off season, the winter resting season, because they truly are resting. And anyway, folks, that's my haul. Thanks for watching and enjoy your orchids. Bye.